Dude, we're just going to the gas station. We don't need to buckle.
Oh, hello. Welcome, friend. I am Professor Nicholas B. Farnsworth. I invented the revolutionary system, buckle up or blow up. This is a system in which, if you are driving and no one is buckled, or even one of the members of your car is unbuckled, it blows you to smithereens. There's much controversy about the innocent deaths and whatnot, but I think that it's worth it if you get people to buckle up. If you've been wondering why I've been pouring urine into this beaker, buy my full-length VHS. You can do so by calling 555-5555 and leaving your credit card number, address, social security number, and full name, including middle initials.